Our house is a good point now. The main structure is ready, but this is the moment when you need to push it. You need to fight against the laziness, because the detailing is the key of the most beautiful projects. Sometimes when I don't have inspiration for build stuff, I just come here in the lab and I just do this boring stuff that just keep my mind totally relaxed. And maybe I listen to the music, I watch some movie, and in this way I don't waste time, because inspiration will come maybe the day after, stuff like that. But in that moment, I'm just preparing materials for the next project. Detailing the roof is very important. One of the best way is to leave here and there some cracks and some holes in the shingles, so you can see through them the underneath roof. Other details can be, the door itself, but other details like leftovers from other kits or little beads and bits from your old collection can come at hand when you need to detail your piece. So today we are concluding this part of detailing, and then finally we are ready for the priming and painting this beautiful medieval fantasy house. Crack on! There are hundreds of techniques to create a door. You can use several materials. You can use wood, you can use plastic, you can create some resin casting, but also you can use XPS foam. XPS foam provided a fantastic texture with the technique that we already see for the wood. But then we need several materials to add to the door for create the details. Some cheap jewelry. You see these? These are earrings. The advantage with earrings is that they have a pin, so you can put them very easily inside the foam. Not so easy in the wood, okay? Now with the Proxon, I'm just gonna cut half of this dimension, okay? Let's take off the reinforcement because of the thickness, and we now choose to use an XPS foam door. Now that it's dry, we can also cut off the excess on the roof carefully, but without any problem because it's perfectly dry. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you want to watch all the details about this construction without interruption and without cuts, you just go to my Patron page or on this channel and you will have access to all the material of my fantasy modeling course. Till next time, happy crafting!